All right, here we are, Maranto Brothers Live. What did we just do, guys?
Well, it looks like we just we put a new hot water heater in there. We got rid of the old one, threw it to the curb, and just added the attachments. It's really not that difficult.
All right, can you show us how you did this? Here, can you bring us
Well,
on?
we had a couple of problems with the connections and whatnot. This was an old school type of thing. We had the old copper fittings on there. So basically, we just cut them off, added these brackets here, connected them on, got them nice and tight on both ends. Of course, added the gas line, and we checked out the water, turned it on. It's working all right.
So, was it hard taking the old hot water heater out? What'd you have to do that?
Well, we start with cutting the lines right here too. A lot of times they're soldered in, so they need to be cut. They make this little device now where it's basically just a snap-on. It's not too difficult. It's actually easier than it looks. And then from there, just make sure that the links are correct and make sure it's off the ground as well.
What would you say the hardest part was putting it in?
Probably the copper, those old copper wires they had on there. You know, I was kind of worried about cutting them and then putting these brackets, but these are steady brackets. They'll hold on there, and they're designed to hold, man.
So basically, you cut the copper off on this end, and you put a shark bite that's a 3/4 inch right onto it, because all pipes with the hot water heaters 3/4 inch.
Put it right over it, connected it there. Got the cold and hot water.
Cold hot water, gas is on, and y'all want to demonstrate how to turn it on? It's filled up, right?
Yeah, I believe it is.
All right, how do we shut this bad boy on, turn it on?
Make sure it's on your pilot light first of all. They say hold in your pilot light for maybe 45 seconds, so we'll just, we're gonna hold that in. This indicator here will kind of let us know when it starts blinking.
Is there an off switch on here down there? Okay. Yeah, you're right. Pilot, yeah.
I'll wait a few seconds. Oh shit. First of all, we turn the gas on. One of the important things with these gas lines here is to check your gas lines. They say get you some soap and water, spray it all around your connections. Here. Make sure it's not bubbling out. If it's bubbling out, that means your gas is leaking, which is no good. So anyway, we've done all that, and now we're going to try to start it up again. So we've got it on a pilot light position. There's a little arrow light here, and it's pointed onto our pilot here. So this thing is now filling up with our gas right now as we speak.
And you already turned the water on there, I noticed.
Correct.
So that end, still have to put a little connection here with the vent pipes. So held that in. Is the gas going in?
Is there gas on, Adrian?
Yes, the gas line. Yes.
Oh yeah, first we're going to go in and remove that panel because we want to be able to see right through there.
Right.
Quick little zoom in here. All right, you're going to let it.
We're going to see if we can start lighting this thing up. Control.
All right.
Off on pilot manual, off temperature valve, high temperature shut off valve, gas control valve, gas flame sensor. All right, and we're going to try to click it a couple times.
Just on video.
Okay. I really had checked in on this just yet.
Can be edited.
Oh yeah, I can hear it. You can hear it, can't
Yeah.
you? So that's doing something right. But that thing is supposed to flash. I really.
Alright, so you can do this one. It's lit. Okay, so you would try to light it one time, you would try to. It should be, okay, so you got it on Does it easy?
Control panel on off. So I'm just starting all over. I'm putting it on off. Now that we've done that, I'll put it back on pallet again so we know it's there. So let's try it again. I'll push it in, we can hear it filling up.
So you hold that for about a minute.
Yeah,
And
it
then-
actually says on here, the one that I saw said 45 seconds, but here it's just saying 3 seconds. But for some reason that,
And do you light at the same time? You click the lighter?
what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep your thumb held in on the pallet the whole time. And then here's your striker here. And then you're supposed to be able to push that in a couple times. And then hopefully it'll light. It's not, of course it's not going. Oh shit, I feel that thing working now.
Is it lit?
I know the electricity is, I can feel it.
And then you turn it on.
Oh, there we go, there was a flash.
Alright.
Alright.
So after that, then what do you do with the knob?
There we go. Oh, yes, you are lit. All
Let
right,
me
so
take
we're
a
gonna hold
zoom.
it in. We're gonna hold it in here, and then now, keeping it held in, we're gonna push it towards vacuum, low, and hot.
Alright.
Oh, boy.
And
Alright.
let it rip.
Yep. And then is that thing lit down there now, Joe? And there we go. And then they say normally, of course, you got A, B, C, and then very hot. So as you go further back, the hotter it's gonna go. But they say leave it on B,
Awesome.
of course.
Let me help you out, man.
It's somewhere right there in the middle.
And we were wondering how to get rid of the old hot water heater right there.